Dear education, I'm in persecution. What's your contribution in elevating my life? As I'm in suppression, visions towards the future subtracting, I can see the difference as I'm depressed. As I glared at this transfiguration, life saw my aspiration and brought me inspiration. This is a message, showing a passage towards deliberation. For my soul was eluded and confided in the philosophy of poetry. Listen to the flowing reading, and you will be relieved. Tired of struggling, the enemy was delighted, but my hope was enlightened when I had tied to education. When my hope was in persecution, it became my only constitution towards building my own institution. Underneath this ray of hope, I saw earthly angels and raised with wisdom, riding to shine like the only roses among the thorns of life. If you can go an extra mile in your imagination, why not go an extra mile in putting an effort? Dear education, I'm in persecution. What's your contribution in elevating my life? Athe maswadaya sibiyele nemsamo kangwane kwakukhona lokudla emanjonjwe emsamo sayithola inkululeko yangichweba inkondo yami yathi mina ngiyibonile inhlupheko ifika inyonyoba yefika kimi yangena ngemnyango webucili yagadla ngesikhali sebuvila yaphuma ngekubhubha kwaba ngathi ngiyaphupha ngiphupha liphupho ngilibona ngemehlo engconzo ngiphethe ngisalibona ngavele ngabona umbono wesiphathimandla sifika limsithi lamabandla ebalingani bakho wabona mina ngiwafanisa nelikhula lesakhula nalo sisakhula thina sawashaya indive amabandla sayibeka induku ebandla ubekethela kwasifaka sandla ngamemeta ngebuciko sengicikoza ngithi mina ngingilombhalo wayethi mayegwaza ngemkhono walobo impumelelo ngelisiba ngabona sithombe sathishela aphethe sibane akhanyisela abafundi indlela le empumelelweni sineke sakhe sasimangalisa noma bamcinela ngebucilo wagcina wabacathulisa inhlipheko yayisicalo kodwa impumelelo yabasiphetho ithemba labasilungu la ngiqunge ephuphekeni ngalobuciko ngiyacisha bucili ngemagama enkondo oliphimbo lembongo imbongo lesabela ngetibongo ngebukondo ngiyawucashula tibobo noma umhlaba uphikisa kodwa lithemba liyaphilisa hayi ivale mlanga engakusaphothise emaseko.